Hello, everyone. It's Jodi. I'm so excited to talk to you today about the 11 new core colors that Stampin' Up! Has, plus our brand new in colors. So this is our upcoming catalog. The sales period for this starts on May 2nd. So very soon, next week, this catalog is going to be live. I can't show you the inside yet, but there are some gorgeous things. And one of the big things is this color refresh. It's been since 2010 since there's been a significant color refresh. So it is well time to get some new fresh colors. Now I'm going to go through and show you these new colors. And also I'm wearing a very colorful top today to do this, aren't I? Some of these you will recognize because they're returning colors. You know that we have in colors, so those trendy colors that come around for 2 years. Well, some of these, like Lemon Lime Twist, are a returning color. This one was an in color years ago, and it's coming back, and it's part of our Brights collection. So we've got 4 main collections: Brights, Neutrals, Regals, and Subtles. 10 in each collection, so 40 colors there, plus the in colors, and you've got 2 groups of 5. So we've got 50 colors to choose from, besides like the vanilla, white, black, things like that. So 50 unique Stampin' Up! Colors. So let's talk about the Brights collection. Like I said, there's 10 colors, and these are the new ones. So this is Lemon Lime Twist, a returning in color. This is Azure Afternoon, a gorgeous blue, and another returning in color, Berry Burst. So what I want to do, you're like, why do you have this white? What I want to do is show you this little color chart I put together. I'm just going to kind of slide it down as we go. But this, I don't know about you, but I just love seeing all the colors together in a collection in rainbow order like this. So Poppy Parade, Melon Mambo, Flirty Flamingo, Pumpkin Pie, Daffodil Delight, Lemon Lime Twist, new, Granny Apple Green, Coastal Cabana, Azure Afternoon, and Berry Burst. I love the Brights collection, especially this time of year. I tend to really focus on these colors a lot. Okay, let's go to our next color collection, and that is going to be the neutrals. So let me pull in the 2 new in colors. This one is returning. This is called Misty Moonlight, a nice blue. And then this one is Pecan Pie. Oh, the lighting is not doing this justice. I'm looking at what it is in reality versus what you're seeing. This is a little better when I hold it down a little bit more. But let's see it on the color chart, and hopefully that will reflect it accurately. So let's slide this down and see. Yeah, I do think it looks better here in the chart. Hopefully you feel like you can see that. So our neutrals collection is now Mossy Meadow, the returning Misty Moonlight, Night of Navy, Blackberry Bliss, Early Espresso, Pecan Pie, which is a new one, Crumb Cake, Gray Granite, Smoky Slate, and Basic Gray. A great solid foundation of neutrals to work with. All right, let's keep going and scoot down to our regals. And let me show you. We've got 2 returning colors here. So this is Pretty Peacock and Blueberry Bushel. Great in colors that are coming back. Pretty Peacock was super popular. It's just a really nice, deep, like teal color. Let's look at them with their group here in the regals. These are just so rich. So they're vibrant, but they're not bright. Let me pull this back in so you can see the comparison. When we look at the brights here, these are bright, vibrant colors. These are equally as vibrant, but they just have a richer, earthy tone to them. So let's take a look at the colors in the Regals collection. We've got Cherry Cobbler, Real Red, Cajun Craze, Crushed Curry, Old Olive, Garden Green, Shaded Spruce. We are not lacking for shades of green here. Pretty Peacock, that returning color. Blueberry Bushel returning, and then Gorgeous Grape. Gorgeous Grape made a jump from the Brights color collection, and I really feel like it fits better here in the Regals. If you remember, we've got that returning berry burst up here, and I feel like that flows better with those brights. So I'm glad to see Gorgeous Grape sticking around, but I feel like it's a great addition to the Regals collection. Okay, let's talk subtles. We've got some new colors with subtles as well as some returning. So this is called Lemon Lolly. This is a returning Lost Lagoon. This is returning. This is a current in color that normally would be about to retire, but they're keeping it in the subtles collection, which I'm super glad about because I use it a lot. And then finally, this one is called Bubble Bath. And let me show you in the collection. This is our subtles. So Petal Pink, Calypso Coral, Lemon Lolly, Soft Seafoam, Lost Lagoon, returning, Pool Party, Balmy Blue, Highland Heather, Fresh Freesia, which is a current, almost retiring in color that's sticking around, and then the brand new Bubble Bath. Okay, so this is what I'm excited to show you here. I'm still going to cover up the in colors, but look at how pretty this is. I love to see the whole rainbow of colors in each of our collections. They're just such gorgeous, well-curated colors in the way that they work together, but then also in the way that they work within the other groups as well. You can use some subtles with the brights or with the neutrals. They're just all so fun, and I just love to see the colors like this. Now, the last thing I want to tell you about today is our new in colors. So let me remember, yeah. Okay, so this is our 2022-2024 in colors. These have been around for a year, and we've got another year to enjoy these. And you can kind of see, you know, you've got a lot of greens right here, but they're each, let me pull them up and see if they're very unique in their coloring. This one, the Lemon Lime Twist, has a little bit more of a yellow undertone. This is a little bit of a, I don't know if deeper is the right word, but they're very unique from one another. And you can see, you know, with the different shades of blues, they're all very unique colors. Now, the last thing I want to show you is the 2023-2025 in colors. So let's talk about each of those. I have my ink pads here, but I think I'm just going to skip those aside and show you the cardstock. So this one is called Copper Clay. Then we have Wild Wheat. We have Boho Blue, Moody Mauve, and then Pebbled Path. So this is our new in color collection for 23 to 25. And let me show you those here on the sheet as well. So it's really, you know, you've got this Pebbled Path, and you can see how it's different from those other neutrals. It's its own unique shade. The mauve, the Moody Mauve, is really just very different from all the colors. The Boho Blue, I could see using that with the Misty Moonlight quite a bit. It's just like a little bit of a lighter shade. I think that would look really pretty together. This Wild Wheat, this is like such a unique color. It's almost, it's got like a little bit of a gold look to it without being metallic, but definitely unique from our other yellows. And then the copper, of course, is just a really pretty color. Definitely different from Cajun Craze, more of a brown undertone, where this one's a little more orange. This has a nice copper color to it. I wanted to pull in a couple of our other in color products just to show you. These are called, what are these called? In color dots. Okay. Not the most creative name they've come up with, but nonetheless, I've been playing with them a lot, and they're really fun to work with. 3 different sizes in each of our new in colors. They're self-adhesive, which makes it really easy. And then this is our new in color ribbon, which is a little bit of a mess. Okay. And I've been stamping a lot, and I have a lot that I'll be sharing with you over the course of the week. Some sneak peeks of these products and some projects that I've made with them. You can see they're well used. They're getting lower in the spool because I'm using them on lots of projects. So that is what I have for you today. We've got 50 unique Stampin' Up! Colors, shuffled around some things in our 4 main color collections, brought some returning colors, added some new colors, and then of course our 5 brand new in colors for the next 2 years. So this is a pretty little thing to look at. Stay tuned for how you can get one of these from me for free. I've also got a really fun May card club coming up that is focusing on these new in colors. So like I said, I have a lot to share with you this week. Stay tuned and be ready to be inspired. All right, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.